Roasted, rustic, delicious. Today we're making a rosemary roasted sweet potato and white bean skillet that's hearty, flavorful, and perfect for an easy weeknight dinner. Today's stars are roasted sweet potatoes, creamy cannellini beans, and fresh rosemary. Spread the sweet potatoes onto a baking sheet with olive oil and roast until they're golden around the edges. Roasting caramelizes the outside while helping the sweet potatoes hold their shape better than cooking them entirely in the skillet. While the sweet potatoes roast, saute the onion and garlic in olive oil, then stir in the fresh rosemary. Rosemary adds a warm, woodsy flavor that pairs beautifully with roasted sweet potatoes and creamy white beans. Bring more flavor to everyday meals with Flavor First. Download your copy using the link below. Add the roasted sweet potatoes and cannellini beans to the skillet. Sprinkle in the smoked paprika and gently fold everything together until heated through. Finish with fresh parsley and cracked black pepper. Serve warm and enjoy. Golden roasted sweet potatoes, creamy white beans, and rosemary make one comforting skillet. The links for today's recipe, the Flavor First cooking guide, and to join Yum's Kitchen are in the pinned comment. See you next time.